Isoline 9. All right, so we've got to start a sketch here, right? And I'm going to draw the front of the object. So I'm going to do the XY plane. And now I'm going to decide on my size. It's 4 overall, 4 by 2.5. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to start with a rectangle. And I'm going to go over 4, tab, 2.5, enter, zoom extents, and now I have a good basis for my drawing. I know that I've got a 30-degree line here, so I'm going to make some what are called construction lines. Instead of drawing them, I'm going to make construction lines, which are kind of like traces or something like that, if you were hand drawing it, and then you would draw over them. So I'm going to bring this down at a line with a construction line on, and then I'm going to just bring this out here beyond the object, and I'm going to get close to 30 degrees, but it doesn't have to be, and I'm going to hit enter. That length doesn't matter as long as I'm outside the object. So tab and then 30 and enter. Now you can see this is a little blue. Click on line to get rid of that other part that was starting up. And now I know that I need to come over here 2.5 to get some a reference point. So I'm just going to draw a line over here, 2.5, enter, and then I'm going to come straight down because I need that intersection, and click it, and there I've got that point right there. Now what I'm going to do is draw this 60-degree angle, 60 degrees from here to whatever that angle is. This gets a little tricky because you think that you should be able to put this here and come over and do 60, and maybe you can in Inventor, but I haven't figured that out. So I'm going to do it a little differently. So I'm going to click on, I've got line going there, and here I can see if this is 60 and that is this is 0 and this is 90. This is coming 60 minus 90 is 30 degrees off of horizontal. So I'm picking a line up here. It's giving me that line, imaginary line, and I'm coming up here. I know this is 30 degrees because this is 60. So again, I go off of my object out here. I get close to 30 degrees because otherwise the line length might not work. Then I hit tab and 30, enter, and then I have that is good there. All right, so now I'm going to get this 15-degree line from here. So this is 15 degrees here. All right, so I'm going to click on that intersection there. It gives me a yellow thing, and I'm going to come over here, and it's giving me the degrees that I want there. So just come out of my object. Actually, it's not giving me those degrees. It's giving me 102. So it's giving me from here all the way over there. So I know that 90, if they're calling this 90, I know if I go this way, 90 plus 15 is 105. So I hit tab and 105, enter, and I've got my 15-degree line. Well, there's some trickiness going on over here as well. So I'm going to put a line in that's 3/4, so 0.75, enter. And I'm going to come over here just across the object to here with this line, that's that line there. And now I know that, well, if I come in 1 inch, I need to come down 15 degrees. So I come in 1 inch, and then I come here at 90, and again, once you can see that arc is coming from 0 to 90. Now I'm going to come over here, come out of my object slightly, get close to 105, and tab it, 105, enter, and I've got a 15-degree angle there from horizontal, and I'm done. So I've got all my cutouts. It doesn't really look like it, but I do. So I'm going to go over those things with a regular line. So I get out of construction line and I go click, click. I'm looking, now I'm going to draw this and down from there. Click, click. Down here. And now I'm done. Everything's blue, it's good, so I right click, pull this down, finish 2D sketch. Zoom extents. Now I right click to extrude, and now I'm going to look on here. I need to go over there 1.5. So 1.5, enter. I think I didn't. There we go. I'm going to go this way, 1.5, okay. So my mistake was that I didn't highlight that figure. Then I'm going to hit the house. And you can see you have 2 objects here that look exactly the same, except for this one. You can move around and do other things with it later. And that one is just 2-dimensional on a piece of paper. Thank you for watching.